Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon advertising for sales growth. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to discuss how to use Amazon advertising for sales growth. Amazon offers a variety of advertising options that can help you drive more sales and grow your business. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about sponsored products ads. These ads appear in search results and on product detail pages. They're a great way to get your products in front of shoppers who are actively looking for items similar to yours. By targeting relevant keywords and products, you can increase your visibility and drive more sales. Next, sponsored brands ads are another effective tool. These ads allow you to showcase your brand logo, a custom headline, and multiple products at the top of search results. Sponsored brands ads not only increase brand awareness, but also direct shoppers to your storefront or a custom landing page, encouraging them to explore more of your product offerings. Sponsored display ads are also powerful for sales growth. These ads appear both on and off Amazon, reaching customers across the web. Sponsored display ads help you retarget customers who have viewed your products or similar products, reminding them of your brand and encouraging them to come back and make a purchase. Amazon Stores feature is another great tool. An Amazon store is a multi-page storefront where you can showcase your entire product range and tell your brand story. By driving traffic to your store through sponsored brands ads and other marketing efforts, you can create a cohesive shopping experience that encourages more sales. Using Amazon's advertising reports is crucial for optimizing your campaigns. These reports provide insights into how your ads are performing, which products are driving the most sales, and where you can improve. Use these insights to refine your targeting, adjust your bids, and optimize your campaigns for better results. Amazon's video ads can also drive significant sales growth. Video ads are engaging and allow you to highlight product features, showcase customer testimonials, and create an emotional connection with your audience. By using video ads, you can capture shoppers' attention and drive more conversions. Effective audience targeting is essential for maximizing sales. Amazon's targeting options allow you to reach specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. By targeting the right audience, you can ensure your ads are seen by customers who are most likely to be interested in your products, driving more sales. Lastly, make sure your product listings are optimized. High-quality images, detailed descriptions, and positive reviews not only drive sales, but also build trust with your customers. A well-optimized listing can significantly improve your conversion rates and overall sales. That's it for today's video on using Amazon advertising for sales growth. By leveraging these strategies, you can drive more sales and grow your business on Amazon. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.